The question says, write Lewis symbols for the following atoms and ions. And how do we write down the Lewis symbols? We write down the number of valence electrons as dots, right? So if you say sulfur, now sulfur belongs to group 16. How do I know this? Because I have memorized the periodic table. And there is a formula. And what is that? Number of valence electrons in p block element. This is group number -10. Okay. So group number for sulfur is 16, for aluminium is 13, and both of them belong to p block. Okay. So sulfur 16 minus 10, I have 6 valence electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is sulfur. What about sulfide ion? -2 charge indicates that there are 2 extra electrons. If there are 2 extra electrons, it already had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 more would make it like this. I have drawn the extra electrons in black color. You don't have to change the color. I'm just doing it so that I can point it out to you. Right? This is sulfur and sulfide ion, atom and anion. This is how you deal with this. What about cations? We will have a cation for sure. Just wait and watch. Aluminium has how many valence electrons? Aluminium has 3 valence electrons. So 1, 2, 3. And 3 plus means you have +3 charges. That means in any cation, you remove electrons. You have to take electrons away so that when negative charge is removed, positive charge has been developed. So aluminium cation would be simply Al. That's it. What? I mean, is it barred? It has no electrons? It has no electrons in valence shell. It is just Al. 0 valence electrons simply because it has +3 charge. And that's it. Should I write down the charge? I mean, you don't have to separately. When you're writing down, showing the electrons, this is aluminium atom and this is aluminium cation. No valence electrons, absolutely. Let's take a look at hydrogen also. Hydrogen is an S block. It has only 1 electron. So hydrogen is H dot and hydride ion would be 2 dots. Why? Because it's hydride ion. As simple as that. -1 means 1 extra electron. 1 it already had, 1 more is added. So you get 2. 1 plus 1, 2 valence electron in H minus anion.